Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use AutoDS for Shopify dropshipping. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, from setting up your AutoDS account to importing products and fulfilling orders. So by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to leverage AutoDS to streamline your dropshipping business on Shopify. And before we dive into today's video, I gotta mention that this channel is affiliated with AutoDS. Normally, you would get a 14-day free trial. However, by using the link below this video, you will get an extended 30-day completely free trial. This offer gives you more time to explore all the DS features without any cost. And to get started with using this powerful application, then you would first have to sign into your Shopify account, so go ahead and log into it. Onto the left sidebar, you want to navigate to the applications or the application store, and then you want to search for AutoDS. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. Confirm to complete the connection between your Shopify store and the application. AutoDS offers several packages to suit different business needs and scales. So you've got the Import 200, which is great for beginners just starting out, the Starter 500, perfect for those ready to scale their business, and the Advanced 1000. I would recommend this for established dropshippers looking to expand. And finally, there is the premium options for high volume sellers who need more advanced features. You can choose between the monthly or the annual billing, but I recommend considering the annual option if you are serious about dropshipping, as it comes with a good discount up to 25%. Personally, I recommend the Starter 500 package for most users, as it offers a great balance of features, including the crucial price and stock monitoring tools. After selecting your package, you will need to enter your payment details, but don't worry, you won't be charged during the free trial period. This is just to set up your account for seamless transaction after the trial if you decide to continue with AutoDS. And now that we have connected our AutoDS to the Shopify store, let's go ahead and see how we can actually find and import the products. For that, we're going to be using AutoDS Marketplace. This is a powerful tool for finding winning products, and here is how to use it effectively. So we want to start by utilizing the filters, and the first filter is the ships from. So assuming that we are targeting US customers, you want to select United States from the drop-down menu. After that, we've got the categories, so you want to select the kind of niche of products that you are going to be targeting. In my case, I might select the women's clothing or some kind of clothing and apparel. Additionally, you can get the best sellers filter. Click on this to see the most popular items in the category. Next, as you scroll through the results, a product may catch your eye. So you want to check the shipping time, as we want a product that actually meets our needs. Of course, the prices, and you want to check the buy price. You want to calculate your selling price and actually get your profit margins checked in. And of course, lastly, you want to check the customer reviews. Higher ratings are an excellent sign of product quality and customer satisfaction. When you have found your promising product, you want to add it to your store, so click the Import Draft button, and then you want to navigate to your draft section. From there, you find the listing in your draft list and then click on it. And then after that, you can edit the product details, so you can change the title and the description. You can add tags for SEO optimization and so on. Once it's done, don't forget to save the edits that you have made, and then you want to import it to add the product to your Shopify store. And just like that, we have just added a high potential product to our store using the AutoDS Marketplace. Keep in mind that the key to success here is not just finding good products, it's also presenting them well and marketing them effectively. For that, you can also use the insights provided by AutoDS to craft compelling product descriptions and attractive listings to our Shopify store. From here, we can see how our product actually appears in the Shopify store. For that, you want to click on this button right here that will actually load our listing inside the theme. I highly recommend taking some time to customize your store further and then set up Shopify payments for smooth transactions. Additionally, the AutoDS dashboard provides valuable insights into your business. For example, you can view your total orders, profit, and revenue, track newly added products, and monitor your store's performance over time. But to make the most out of AutoDS and Shopify, you want to focus on a specific niche. For example, the pets or the outdoor sports niche for easier marketing. You can add multiple products to your store within your chosen niche, and then customize your store's appearance for a professional look. Remember, you can get an extended 30-day free trial of AutoDS when using the link below this video, as this will give you a lot of time to explore all the features and set up your dropshipping business. So in conclusion, if you are serious about scaling your dropshipping business, saving countless hours on tedious tasks, then AutoDS is a tool that deserves your attention. Through this tool, you can automate product imports, order fulfillment, and even store creation can be truly transformative for your e-commerce business. Hopefully this guide has helped you understand what AutoDS offers and how you can import your very first product using it. So if you have found this video to be helpful and informative to watch, then consider leaving a like and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video.